Santa Cruz and also the convener of Venkat PDA. You must have seen that on the 13th of this month, the GPPDA has issued a public notice saying that they are going to adopt the land use register and the land use plan. Now, I would like to say that in the month of January 2019, we had the people of Santa Cruz had submitted objections to the draft proposal. But the GPPDA has not even looked through our objections because our objections were very clear and they were very well defined in letter and spirit. Now, we were quite surprised that this notification has been released specifically during the pandemic time, because at this point of time we cannot even call for meetings, we cannot call for public opinion of the people. So this was an unwarranted call for us at least. You must have noticed that the Bondwal Lake has also been declared as one of the first wetlands in Goa, in the state of Goa. And the periphery, which is also the catchment area of the Bondwal Lake, has been included in the PDA. Now, why, when 70% of Santa Cruz village is included in the PDA, why it should go to Bambolim? Why should the notification go to Kurka Bambolim Panchayat when this is called a Bambolim PD planning area, what they say? 70% is of Santa Cruz and no notification to Santa Cruz Village Panchayat about the adoption of the ODP, draft ODP. This is completely uncalled for, and we strongly oppose and we demand action against the PDA for doing some things which is not in line with the system. It looks like Atanasir Monserrat, who is the chairman, is running a government separately, and Dr. Pramod Sawant is running a government separately, because it is not in sync. If at all this is coming through the government, it should have come through the discussion with Dr. Pramod Sawant. Now, I want to ask Dr. Pramod Sawant, are you entertaining such kind of things? How can an administration function when two different entities or two different authorities function differently? I really don't understand this. And a very important point to be noted is that our Santa Cruz MLA, Sri Antonio Fernandez, had resigned from as a member of the GPPDA. How does he come and sits in the office and now plans the adoption of the land use plan and the register, land use register? This is completely uncalled for, and we strongly oppose. We have opposed it earlier, and we are opposing it even now.
Have you complained that he is holding still the chair, Antonio?
He has given us a letter saying that he has already resigned from in a public meeting in Santa Cruz. He has said, I have resigned from the GPPDA. Now our demand is very clear. We have opposed it earlier and we will oppose it even now. And this has been thrown upon us by the authority. And if the authority is throwing this during a pandemic time, then I'm sorry, we will not be able to sit down quietly.
So what do you have to say about the chairman of the PDA?
Now, the chairman of the PDA, that is Atanasir Monserrat, has included areas touching Taligaon Village Panchayat. So, what we are saying is Santa Cruz area and Taligaon has been clubbed. Now, two different revenue villages. One is Bambolim, one is Santa Cruz, one is Taligaon. How can you include this in one PDA? They are different revenue villages. Tomorrow, if the authority gives any permission, it will go to the local body. Where will it go? Not to the Santa Cruz Panchayat. Will it go to the Bambolim? Because it is Bambolim planning area. This is a completely confused state of mind. And I think why I am blaming Atanasir Monserrat is because university area and areas which are NDZ areas, they are NDZ areas marked under the Regional Plan 2021. There is a natural cover marked under 2021. These areas have been touching towards Taligaon, and I feel there is a strong influence of Atanasir Monserrat, the chairman, to get these things approved during this lockdown.
Ecosystem will be affected?
Definitely, because it is a stone throws away from Bondwal Lake. It is definitely good, and that is the only green area, the area that we can breathe oxygen, and which is actually an oxygen generator there. It's definitely going to deplete the diversity over there, environment also.
Any birds or animal habituals are there?
Habitats are there. It is actually an area. If I just want you to visualize, it is somewhere around near the All India Radio. Okay, and just behind Goa University. Goa University administrative block, not library. So there's a road touching there, already done. There is a road from Talegaon which is touching that property, which is now going to be declared as in this PDA. And that is a green area which we have visited that place, and we have seen that they have cut that area and they have kept it ready. As a matter of fact, going through some of the documents, we have got to realize that the GPPDA has already given the property owners over there a license to construct a construction wall, a compound wall. License is already given. So that means the work has already started. This is just a matter of time when they're going to get everything approved.
Do you have any document to support your say?
Yes, I definitely have. I always talk when I have documents in hand. I don't normally talk without any documents.
Documents such as
Approvals come from the GPPDA for this construction of boundary wall around that green area, around that natural cover, around that NDZ area. And we have pointed this out to Pandita, and Pandita told us that you please redraft your application and send it to us, that and we will have a look at it.
have you met with the CM of Goa?
We have not met the CM, but we will definitely meet the CM at an appropriate time.
Any cases of PL to be filed?
Yes, we are. If our proper requests are not adhered to, then the only option, and we have said this even 1 year back, the only option left for us is to approach the courts.
So you will go to?
Yes, we will. If they don't want to listen to our grievances, because the green lungs of Santa Cruz lie over there, the green lungs, and if that is going to be disturbed, then I think the only option as an environmentalist is to go to the courts.